Okay, so I'm standing here in our kitchen with my mother, who is like well known for making the best ham and beans ever. Everybody loves Mom's ham and beans, so we're going to show you how it is she makes it. So she's already kind of got started. Mom, tell us a little bit about what you've done so far up to now.
Well, first of all, I separated the beans. I looked through them and got all the bad ones out, which is very few. And then I rinsed them real good, and then I put them in the pan. And I'm making a little over half of.
This is what we're making.
I'm making a little over half a pound, so I added 5 cups of water.
Okay. And you have the water, you have it boiling right now, right?
Yeah, it's just starting to boil.
So how long have they been boiling?
They just started, and I'm going to let them simmer for about 3 hours.
Wow.
And now I'm going to add some onion,
Okay.
which I used to put the whole onion in, and then before we ate, I lifted it out and threw it away. But now I chop the onion as fine as I can, and it cooks with the beans, and it cooks up so much that you don't even know it's in there when you eat them.
Okay, so how much onion is that?
That's about a half of a medium to large onion.
Okay, just do like a yellow onion.
Yeah.
Okay.
Any onion is fine. So I just add that. And I have a piece of Joel bacon.
What now? What do you have there?
Joel bacon.
Spell that.
Jowl.
Wow, that looks cool.
Joel bacon, and it goes in. And it cooks with the beans.
Put it in whole.
Yeah, and then when the beans are done in about 3 hours, I take the bacon out, and part of it is lean, most of it's fat, but I take the lean out and cut it up tiny and put it back into the beans. And I've got some ham in the freezer that's cut in small pieces, and in about 2 hours I'll put it in. And when it's all done, I'll salt it, and so it's flavored good. Put enough salt in it. Okay, the beans have been cooking for about between 3 and 4 hours. And I'm gonna take the Joel bacon out. And I'm gonna add some chopped up ham that I have in the freezer. I'm going to add some salt. I'm going to add a level teaspoon and probably a half more. And some black pepper. Okay, I normally add a couple of garlic cloves in the beginning, and I forgot them, so I'm going to add a little bit of garlic powder. Whew. It's good. I'm going to get the lean meat out of this Joel bacon so I can cut it up and add it, because we don't want to waste the Joel bacon. It's just too good to waste. See all that lean? So I want to cut this up little. Just have little pieces and try not to have fat in it. Try to get all the fat out. And that's it. That's my recipe for Great Northern Bean Soup.
Okay, so we got beans and fried potatoes and cornbread and green onions. And
A salami sandwich.
you like a salami sandwich? There is nobody that makes ham and beans any better than Grandma Betty.